Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get lots of fish food on Temu. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. To get lots of fish food on Temu, you can follow these tips and strategies. Step 1. Complete daily tasks. Engage with the app daily to complete tasks and earn rewards that can be used to get fish food. Step 2. Participate in events. Look out for special events and promotions that offer extra fish food as rewards. Step 3. Invite friends. Use referral codes to invite friends to join Temu. You can earn bonuses including fish food when they sign up and participate. Step 4. Watch ads. Some apps offer rewards for watching advertisements. Check if Temu has this feature to earn additional fish food. Step 5. Purchase packs. If you are willing to spend a little, consider buying fish food packs directly from the app. By following these easy steps, you can easily get lots of fish food on Temu. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.